dryer Blomberg making noise during the dry cycle. Okay, this is on the inside of the dryer. We can see that it's basically, this is the felt, front felt, and it's basically cut it through. You can see the foam through it. Every time they use it, the drum goes into between it and just cut it through. And I'll show the new one in a second how it's supposed to be. You can see it's all around there, just basically cut it through. And this is the cause of the noise. And I'll show in a few minutes how looks the new one. Okay, this is the after replacement. You can see this is the new one. Yeah, this is how it looks. And this is the old one. Yeah, just sliced through. Yep, so just basically gonna clean everything up here and put everything back together, and the job will be complete. Okay, dryer is back to normal, and everything is running properly.